Welcome to Python with Robots. If you recently purchased a CodeBot or you want to invest in one, this video will walk you through everything from unboxing to logging into CodeSpace and running your very first mission. Now, let's begin with what you'll find inside the CodeBot box. The CodeBot itself and a USB-C cable to connect and power your CodeBot. That's it. CodeBot is a pre-assembled circuit board and you just need to add the code. Start by logging into CodeSpace. Click on your browser and type in make.firialabs.com or click the link provided in this video's description. Once you've opened the CodeSpace website, you'll be asked to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. CodeSpace accounts are free and it's easy to sign up. We've included separate videos in the description to help you through the login process. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to enter your join code to access the Python with Robots mission pack. This mission pack is designed with a user-friendly curriculum that makes learning Python and programming with robots simple and fun. Before diving into the coding challenges, you'll first need to complete the intro mission. This mission guides you through a 3D model of your CodeBot, highlighting all the different parts and explaining what each one does and how it functions. Then you will be ready to connect. To connect, start by plugging your CodeBot into the computer using the USB-C cable. Then, on your CodeSpace screen, look toward the bottom left corner and click the red button that says USB CodeBot disconnected. Click to connect. Once you click it, your browser may ask for permission to access the device. From the device list, select CodeBot and then click Connect. And that's it. You're connected and ready to start coding with your CodeBot. Now, CodeSpace will guide you through the rest of your CodeBot learning journey. Need help? Check the links in the description or visit resources.firialabs.com, our comprehensive website designed to support both students and teachers with coding tutorials, resources, and more. And if you still have questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Happy coding and enjoy your adventure with CodeBot.